to understand someone's heart and soul, how they like to operate things or what they're about, I need you to go back to the chart and take a look of this section, okay, where it's highlighted here. And just for now, just take a look on whatever's on the top right here. As a full disclosure, all these terms that we're about to go through, it's from the Mastery Academy by the Joey Up and the Joey Up team, since I pursued my education through their academy. So I think it's just naturally, I'll be using their system and I'll be using their software. So now, if yours says Yang water, then you are the type who's very adaptive. Picture an ocean water, okay? They go from left to right, right? So your personality has this very adaptive person, but then some people might see you as you can't make up your mind because you're going left to right at the same time. So the recommendation for this type of people is try to do short-term goals, just little things, get it done, and then move on to the next one. Now, if yours says Yang wood, picture a big tree with me, okay? Now, Yang wood person, the most important thing for you is as long as you see growth, as long as you see progress, as long as you see effort, then you're happy with it, okay? Now, if yours says Yang fire, picture a sun with me. You know how sun brights the whole world, right? So these are the type people likes to do things in a bigger aspect. It could be they want to reach out the whole world, they want to reach out their community, or maybe their whole family. Pretty much they like to do things in a bigger scope. That's why these people, the only thing that they like to do or they're willing to do is whatever they're passionate about. Even though they end up working by themselves, these are the people that's willing to do it by themselves. As long as they can do it, their passion. So now next would be if yours is Yang Earth. Now picture Yang Earth is a big mountain with me, okay? They may seem slow, they might seem it's hard for them to make decision, but yet these are the type of people who can keep a good secret by themselves. Like they can hold information. Like you never know what's inside the mountain, right? So on the other aspect, these are the people that could be mysterious. Like you don't really know what's going on with them, and that's just who they are. Now, if yours says Yang metal, picture sword with me. Like they can cut things, okay? For these people, it's about execution, just about doing things, just going out there and get it done. Now, if yours says yin water, picture a dew, okay? It's steam, like you don't really see it, but you feel it. You see what I'm saying? So these are the people who likes options, and when they're selling to you, you don't even feel that they're selling to you. Somehow they're just in you. This is the power of yin water. Now, if you're a yin wood person, now picture a flower with me. They're good, they're pretty by themselves, but they look much better when they're surrounded by other flowers, right? So these are the people that's great team player. Yes, they're good by themselves, but they are more active, they are more vibrant, they are more happening when they are in a team. So these are the people that who's are great team player. Now, if yours says yin fire, now yin fire, picture a flame with me, okay? A flame, this kind of fire is the only element that can change any elements. Water can evaporate from fire, wood could be burned by fire. In relation to a personality, yin fire, they can change your mind, they can be influential, they can make you see different things naturally. Like you don't feel the pressure, they're just good in sending that message to you. Now, if you're a yin earth person, yin earth, picture soil, okay? Now, anything that you put into soil, the soil will process it, right? Whether it's bad or good for them, they'll process it. Now, these are the type of people that's very helpful, very resourceful, but sometimes they end up helping people that they don't even like. Now, if that's happening to you, think of it, it's normal, that's part of your journey. Now, the last one, it's called yin metal. So if you have a yin metal in you, this is picture a jewelry with me, okay? Bling bling. You know, they like to do things nicely, in order. Everything needs to be clear, neat, tidy. They are a meticulous person. But here's one thing about them. They tend to have this diva mentality, because they got it done in a very good in a very good manner. So they need to hear that thank you. They need that recognition. They need that praise in a way, just as a recognition to say you did a good job. That's what they need, and they value that very much. So briefly, what we've just discussed is the 10 types of operating system, how someone's like to do things, and this is their heart and soul. But for the entire series, we've already talked about these 3 things, which is number 1, how to find your money maker machine. This is the things that you'll do good, naturally, fast. Okay. Second one is your deal breaker. This is your thinking process. This is what needs to be met in order for you to pursue the money maker machine. But in order for you to do all these 2 aspects, you got to make sure your heart okay or in the right stage. Now, I understand there's a lot of information that we just gone over. That's why I put in a simple PDF format. Below this video, you can tap on the link, put in your email, and I'll be more than happy to send you all the details regarding the topics that we just discussed. So you could go over them slowly, and that way you can understand yourself better, and perhaps you understand your business partner better or your clients better. That way you know exactly how to collaborate or work out a project with them. Thank you so much, okay, for sharing your time to let me share this information with you. Now, there are still a lot more that I like to go over with you, but these 3 keys are the main thing that you want to learn when you're reading a POTS chart. I thank you so much, and we'll continue on the next video.